Okay, today is January 2nd, 2022, 3:48 p.m. on a Sunday. I actually took this trade last year. I don't remember the exact date and time, but I've been holding this trade, and as you can see, I'm on USD CHF on the daily time frame. And I put my trend line on here, and as price came down and made higher lows since the beginning of this trend, it's just been kind of trending up, and this was my last lower low from a downtrend. So as you can see, this was a higher low. This was a lower low. This was a higher low. Yeah, this was a lower low. This was a lower high. Lower low, lower high, and then lower low. And then it didn't go past that. So it came up to here, made a higher high, then a higher low. And because price broke, it didn't break, but because price started an uptrend from this last lower low to here, that means the direction of the trend had changed from a downtrend to an uptrend. So this has been going on a while. As you can tell by the daily candles, it's been going on a while. And I could have taken some trades in here, but I just saw this set up last year, like I said. And so I put on my trend line, and as it's been going up, it hasn't went back to here and touched yet. But based on the fact that it did go up from here and came back, if I drew a trend line here based on this trend coming down and continuing up, it did break this area right here and come back to this area. Price did break this area and come back to this area. And what I mean is, once it went up and came down, it came down to this area. So if I had waited and taken a sell up here when this line was made, it would have came back down to this area. And had I been holding it, it would have came back down to here. And I could have gotten out either at this higher low, or really that was the only higher low I could have gotten out at, frankly speaking, because price did come back down to this higher low. And it came specifically right here. Didn't quite touch it, but it came close to it. Because here's the next higher low. Didn't break it, but it came close to it. So with the continuation of all of this, I drew my trend line. Let me cut that off. I drew my trend line. As you can see, price has closed above the trend line on this candle. Let me see if I can zoom into that a little bit. Closed above the trend line on this candle and this candle. So I took a sell here. Now I'm expecting price, since it's already came down past this higher low and broken the trend on the trend line, I'm expecting it to come to here or to here. When the market opens today at 5 p.m., I'm probably going to move my take profit line all the way down to here. And if it comes to here, what I'm going to watch for is for price to break below it and continue, as long as I don't get any green candles, or I'm going to expect price to hit it and then continue up. At that point, if it does, what I'll do is I'll take my profits and look for another trade opportunity, either in this trade or another trade. And since I'm on the daily, I'm having to wait a while, but I just thought I'd make a video recording of this particular trade, since it's a live trade that I'm in, so you guys can see what it looks like and how this strategy actually works. Remember, this was my last lower low from a downtrend, and then it never made a lower low past this. It basically went up, came down, made a higher low. The trend changed directions. It changed right here at this candle, and this is where I'm expecting price to come back to, either here or here. But if it comes here, I'm expecting for it to continue down. So being that I'm on a daily, I'll probably be holding this for a little while. So we'll see what happens. And right now I'm not using regular candles, as you can tell. I'm using what's called Heiken Ashi smooth candles. I'm not even using the regular Heiken Ashi candles. I'm using Heiken Ashi smooth candles. And they do a really good job of telling you what the trend is. Even though I drew the trend lines, I can still see what the trends are. And I can see what my higher highs are. I can see what my lower highs are. I can see what my lower lows are. I can see what my lower highs are. So I think these candles do a really good job of telling you what direction the trend is in and where it's changing at and stuff like that. And I'm not using any indicators at all, which is what I like. I have some indicators I can probably throw on here, but I like the naked aspect of trading, just using price action and trend lines. So this is what I'm using right now. I'm going to go ahead and end this video and post this trade in my Discord channel. If any of you watching this video would like to join my Discord channel, I'll be posting the link in this video. Like I said, the link to my Discord channel is this link. If you'd like to join my Discord channel, please just type in the link and join. There's a lot of great information on the channel, a lot of good information on the channel, videos, ideas, stuff like that. And if you join, we'll see about getting these candles to you. I appreciate you for watching this video. Thanks again, everybody. Enjoy the day.